Okay, homework. Yes, homework. Please, please, please participate. Watch the following film. What did you think of the advice that was given?
If you told me that I'd be here a year ago, I'd probably laugh and say you're joking or something. To realise and recognise that this is really happening. This is real, like, actually real. This feeling emitting from my body that I truly can't explain. I wish I could. Sometimes I just ask, why me? Did I deserve this?
Hello, Dr. Morgan. I'm here for Kathy Brooks.
Hi, that's me. Come in.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink or anything?
Ooh, thank you, but no, I had coffee earlier on today. Thank you. Right. So, Kathy, how are you today?
I'm okay, I guess.
Guess. You sound a little unsure.
Yeah, to be honest, I haven't really been sure of anything lately.
That's okay. It's perfectly okay to feel like that. I want you to be sure about that. What you must remember is I am here to help. I am someone for you to talk to. No judgment, just truthful advice.
Running is my life, and track is my heart. Feeling the wind brush through my face, my arms and my legs. The adrenaline as I raced to the finish line first. I felt blessed, representing my borough, then my city. That was the dream. And it was just the beginning.
So, running was the main focus.
It was. I never went to university. I knew straight from secondary school that this is what I wanted to do in life. I felt recognised and special. I felt good and I really believed it.
So running was something that I believed in. Yes.
It's just how it was.
So tell me, what has changed?
Hey, lighten up, have some fun.
I am.
Hey, watch out!
I know it's hard.
I shouldn't have gone.
Don't do that. do not blame yourself.
But look at me now. Look at me. I can never run professionally again. I'm 21 and my dream is over.
Maybe we should just take a moment here. Look. Here. Please. Let's just take a few seconds. I completely understand how devastated you must feel. I really do, but let me tell you that if you believe it was you that was at fault, then you're never, ever going to recover.
I shouldn't have gone. I don't usually go out. But just this once, I thought, why not?
I think the truth is, no one knows what is going to happen tomorrow. Life is just a crazy ride. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing at all.